Hello everyone, welcome back to North Dakota Homestead. I'm Angie and I would like to show you how we make our banana cake. Well, I haven't made it in a while, but back when we were making it, it was the kids enjoyed it very much, and we all loved it. And it's a nice thing to do to use up all your bananas that are going bad and everything. Instead of just making banana bread, we make banana cake. So here we go. We'll look at what we got. First we have the 2 cups of flour and 1 2/3 cup sugar. Then over here we have a teaspoon of salt and some 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, teaspoon and a half baking soda. Here's our, well, they call for 2/3 cup of shortening. I use lard. And then we have a teaspoon of vanilla. We like the vanilla flavor a whole lot, so I use 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Then I have 2/3 cup buttermilk. I didn't have buttermilk, so I used lemon juice. You put it in the bottom and then fill it up the rest of the way, 2/3. And then for our bananas, we have 1 1/2 cups of mashed bananas. You can also add chopped nuts to this. Oh, and the 3 eggs. You can also add chopped nuts to this, and you would add 2/3 cup chopped nuts. But part of our family don't like the nuts in it, so the rest of us suffer. Okay, so let's get to mixing this up. It's really easy. It's kind of just a dump and go. So there again goes the flour and the sugar. I'm gonna stir that together right quick. Just kind of blend it up. I did sift the flour beforehand, so it is sifted, and I used the white all-purpose flour, and I used whole wheat flour. I did it half and half, so the 2 cups flour is 1 cup all-purpose and 1 cup whole wheat. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and put in the salt and baking powder, and the baking soda, and we'll go ahead and cut in the shortening. Or lard. Honestly, I think it's a little bit more healthy for you, but everybody has their opinions, so. And get all that goodie off. Okay, so I'm just going to cut this in a little bit and get it all mixed up. Get a little messy with it, that's alright, so it'll all come together. Alright, so real quick like, I'm going to crack these eggs. These are our farm raised eggs. We hatch our own hens out every year, raise up new hens, and keep in eggs all the time. So we always have an abundance of eggs. May I have a fork? Thank you. Sorry, is that in the way? Okay, so now we'll add the buttermilk to the eggs. Kind of just stir that around just a little, get it all mixed together. Okay. Dump that in. Now I'm gonna take my mixer and mix it. I'm going to add in the vanilla. And we'll just mix this now for a couple of minutes, and I'll bring you back to add the bananas. Okay. Now I'll add the bananas. And this used about 4 bananas, so if you got several around, it'll use 4 of them. I don't think that's looking good. And this is going to be baked in a 9x13 pan. I greased and floured it so it won't stick. And it's going to bake at 350 for about 35 to 40 minutes. So just watch, give it the toothpick test or ever how you check a cake, but 35 to 40 minutes. Some ovens cook hotter than others, depending on your oven. Okay, so then I'll dump that in. Alright, now I'm going to go bake this up and do the 35 to 40 minutes. And then we'll be back to see what kind of frosting we're going to put on here. Alright, welcome back. We're done now with the banana cake and we're ready to frost it. And we're going to frost it with caramel frosting. So we have a stick of butter. A cup of brown sugar. And we melt that on about a medium heat. And we just get this melting and get it boiling. We'll see how this turns out. I haven't made this recipe in forever. So I think I'm going to turn that up a little bit because these electric stoves don't heat as fast as gas. Now we're back and it's come to a boil. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. We're going to time it for 2 minutes. Stirring constantly so we don't stick or burn or scorch anything. And that's coming to a good boil there. Looking good. Okay, we're just about done here. The timer's fixing to go off. And we're constantly stirred now for 2 minutes. It's getting pretty thick. And then we'll stop the timer. And then we're going to add a 1/4 cup of milk. Oh, I'll lift it off the eye just a minute. Make sure that's blended together. Okay, now I'm going to let this cool and we'll come back and add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so we're back now and it has cooled down slightly and it looks pretty good, like the nice caramel color. So now we're going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar to this, and I'm just going to add a little at a time because I'm going to have to add it till it gets smooth. I'm going to add part of it. And just keep stirring until we get a smooth consistency. Go ahead and add some more. You know, this really smells good. I don't know. Wait, I wish I could smell it. It smells really good. And we're all having a supper and smell of the banana cake and now this. And everybody's wanting to already cut into it and it's not even ready yet. They're all standing behind the camera making faces at me. We should turn it around on them. Okay, it's thickening on up more than I thought. Can you hand me a shot of milk just to loosen this up just a little bit? I was wondering what it was going to pour. Oh yeah, that looks better. Now that came out really nice. Okay, now slide the cake over here. This was the cake when it came out of the oven. Browned real nice, looks good, smells good. I'm gonna ice it now. I can't scrape this too well because then everybody's going to be disappointed. They don't get to clean the pot. Oh, I just saw a finger go. The cake's still a little warm, so it helps smooth the icing out a little more too. Okay, so we're gonna get this cake finished iced, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, we're back, and just got through icing the banana cake, and it got a little harder than I thought, so just be careful of that. If you take too long, it'll harden up pretty quick. So anyway, we got it all spread out, and here we have a piece of cake here, and I'm going to take me a quick taste. Yummy. That is good. That's my piece. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure you visit the YouTube channel and give us a like, give us a thumbs up and all, and leave some comments down below. Try the recipe out and let us know how you like it. And thank you for watching.